In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a domain to your Hostinger hosting. So if you're like me and you've got business web hosting, you can add a new domain and create a new website if you have a domain on Hostinger, or you can even use a domain on another domain registration company. So once you've logged into Hostinger, the first thing you need to do is make sure you actually have a hosting plan. So here you can see on hosting, we've got business web hosting. What you need to do is go to websites on the left here, and you'll then see a list of all of your websites. Now, once you're here, you can go add website in the top right hand corner. You can choose how you want to build your website. I'm going to choose WordPress, but you can connect any of these. It will then take you through the process of creating a WordPress account. So make sure you have entered in here an email and a password, because you will use this to log into your website in the future. So go ahead and enter that, then click next. You can then go through the standard process of creating your website. So I'm just going to use a pre-built theme, and we'll just choose a theme here, and we'll just use Ocean WP. Now, once you've gone through this process, you will then be taken to this window where it's going to ask you what domain do you want to use. I've got my domain registered on Namecheap, so I'm going to use it, onlinehowtoguide.click. So what we'll do is we'll paste in the domain here. Now, this can be Namecheap, GoDaddy, Hostinger, Porkbun, any domain registration company. Enter the domain in, then click, do you own this domain? Use it. This is going to accept it, but you are going to have to verify that you own it, and we'll do that now. So we'll click next. It's going to install WordPress, and then we will verify the domain shortly. Okay, so now we have installed WordPress. What we can do is we can go back to Hostinger and we can go ahead and verify the domain. So we're back on websites, website list, and as you can see, the domain has not been verified. So we'll go ahead and connect it now. So we'll click check guide, and then it's going to give us some instructions. So what we have to do is we have to change the name servers. Now on Namecheap, we have to go to manage. And then you can go ahead and go into the back end of your domain. And on any domain registration company, you can go into the back end here. Now we can go to name servers. We can go custom name servers. And then you just need to copy name server number 1, paste it into Namecheap or your other domain, paste it into name server number 2. So we can add name server 1, name server 2. And once you've added those name servers to your domain, in a second it will recognize that, and it can take up to 24 hours, but you will then have verified your domain. You will have had hosting sorted out on Hostinger, and you'll be able to then build your website and it will all be live. So as we can see now, these name servers have been updated. We're going to click finish, and then it's going to take up to 24 hours to recognize the name server change. Then everything is going to be live. As you can see, look, I clicked on the domain and it is already working. So we're going to then have to customize everything on WordPress, but that's all the stuff done on the back end. I hope that video helped you out.